In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop on Windows in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want faster access to Chrome without searching for it every time. Whether you use Chrome for work, school, or everyday browsing, having a desktop shortcut can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go down to your keyboard and press the Windows key. This opens the Start menu and lets you search for apps on your computer. Once the search bar is open, type Google Chrome. You should see the Chrome app appear in the results almost immediately. This is the browser icon you normally use to open the web. Now right-click on Google Chrome. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the Chrome shortcut is stored on your computer. This step is important because it lets you create a desktop shortcut from the actual program file. Once the file location opens, you'll see the Chrome icon again in the folder. Right-click Chrome one more time. This opens another options menu. From there, look for Send To, and then choose Desktop, which creates the shortcut. When you click that, Windows will place a Chrome shortcut right on your desktop for easy access. After that, minimize or close the windows and go back to your desktop. You should now see the Chrome icon sitting there, ready to open with just one click. If you want, you can also rename it or move it wherever you like on the desktop. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a Chrome shortcut to your desktop. It's a quick and easy way to make your browsing experience faster and more convenient. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Windows and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.